filmmakers, you don't take yourself seriously. You have to take yourself serious so that other people they can take you serious. Because if then you understand that you are in the starting point, but then you fail to even keep up the schedules, fail to keep up the task, you fail to meeting up, you fail to even answering calls uh, or giving the text on time. I understand everyone is busy, but just that to have time on your phone and text and check other people who are doing the relevant job that you're doing is very important, because you never know where the light comes from. You understand? So this is something that we should really look at it as young upcoming artists and filmmakers. Yes. So in this youth generation, the power is in our hands, guys. The sky is limited. So let's work together. Let's put something that you will say will be proud of it when we watch it, when we distribute it. You understand? Because I know very well that as a filmmaker, you wish and want your work to reach at a certain stage. You want to reach at a certain stage whereby you'll be seen by the world. And that has to start from now with what you have. The tools that you have is going to take you far. Don't look for something that is expensive that you can afford at this time, because you are currently not affording and you are not capable of using it at time. That because everything you have to know it much better. For example, someone can give you a high-end camera, and someone a, a small camera can do much better work just with the differentiate of experiences. You understand? So experience skills is very important than a tool, because you can have a tool, but only to find that you don't have a skill or you don't have a experience of using that tool or equipment. So that's what I just want to highlight, the journey of youth filmmakers. I know that most of us, we want to get into a point whereby this passion, it also gives us um, the better life at the end. Yes. My name is Emmanuel Patrick. It's been a pleasure to stay with you in this live talk. Until we meet next time on íkhono Films. Nathi Siyakhona. Goodbye.